So let's practice a bit of strumming today. So we're gonna do this exercise. So don't, the left hand, let's rest it on the guitar, and we're gonna do just down, 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 okay? And so notice that, I move a little bit, that it's the wrist pivoting this way. It's not the full arm, the forearm doing this. It's just the wrist doing this. Down, 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 down. So another thing that you can do as well is practice muting the strings. Three, four, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now we're gonna add the and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So we're gonna do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Very good. Let's add now a chord. So let's take the E major, okay, that you should know, E major. Okay, let's practice with the chord now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now, a good thing to practice once you have this, it's to do it with a change of chord at the same time. Okay, so we're gonna do E, and then we're going to A. Okay, E and A. So it's gonna do like this, gonna go like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and A, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and E, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and A, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 again, and E, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and A, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Last time. 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and A, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and E. Okay, and that's it for the strumming. So practice again and again and again and again and again.